Way Charles, Ose, stupid journalist. Way Bismarck, Kweku Fosu, ena ochese. Akwa we die, we Jimmy free Tete. Ninsa achie ase Kweku menusa. Mame Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TBGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusuafo nipa ya order screen nsi wofre no paka oye journalist na odini djuma ewo OyerePa FM ono na hosti eye political talk show every morning bia ewo OyerePa na ode ensem bia betudwa enam so Ghana fo edina tempa nya asem keto akra eden sem ena paka ebe kanya Ghana phobia so akomadwen ede achre no yenti nsema paka ede to dwane sansonra
mama can quickly na Wontumi dey me di Bawuima ho yaw me di Bawuima ho yaw
so Wontumi enye
yes because you see Wontumi's back was against the war. Bawuima Wontumi yeni adore yema Bawuima ahead of the primaries because of Bawuima Wontumi take time for bebre na for program because of Bawuima because of Bawuima it is a ne Wontumi akwa ban kukum a whole former vice president of the Republic of Ghana. You couldn't do anything for the month to get to
yes,
it's not about talk. It's about doing the action to get the man out. Did he get the man out? No.
If you don't know about Bawuima, so at least no man up to say 50 million. No.
You don't even have to see. You don't even have to go as a person.
And almost
exactly. You don't even have to you as a person. So you can gather people together. But it's mama telling me say only now for me I said I'm Wontumi.
Bet you about saying your money and
don't be saying that. Don't be saying that. I'm not talking about business matter. I'm talking about networking. Bawuima's networking against buying networking. What are you saying?
Now buy our system no matter.
What are you saying? Because the former vice president. It's media make can say Wontumi. Me just obedi yam. Me just sure.
This one about organizing no ma Brian Koye.
It's not true. So, okay, I don't know me no.
Ebusuafo ensem way na paka a we journalist e dey atudwa. Na journalist de anka obi ne political party emunsem e fa ho ben masa froko yeni we ehia ensem bebre wo Ghana hanoma esese mu journalist for mu address na impenifo no ete because mu na mo ye journalist wo man mu mu na mo kasa e wo mframem e kire aban no. There are so many things that are important to young Ghana for. SSNBC abanye bayi. Mo remember mo say during their campaign time they said a whole lot of things it's about time SNM mo kekan no omo ye. Obi the party nsem dey fa ho ben. Now let's assume said Dr. Bawuima cry a year requirement na Iyokofo anase sika omode to chairman Wontumi niti so no say former vice president Dr. Bawuima wenya kra inti day I learned to say or there's some land document be ekoya antimi anyeye ebi mo try ya na wo journalist here one of the dindinya Dr. Bawuima antimi embelli nti wo kasa 15 million Ghana cedis nti wenti me anfamba wo kase say Dr. Bawuima let's assume say or the land document no koye na anyeye no kotam physical money e de koye no mo de belly to chairman Wontumi kra anka you are the same person na wabetena TV so akasa obi a why vice president e wo Ghana hada wabedi Ghana so da e ba ne say e na wo set such amount ka Ghana fo mu ankasa mbesa so aka e di na tem aka chere ndisi aban ne so omo nchi no mo ye investigation adenti na motesa June 3rd a year disaster yes way and a year 10 years almost celebrating now victims ni bia nyakopon ye omo adom omo ntimi enwu no omo tiase omo hyehye ya ebi wani ma yehu nti adwuma kro omo ntimi nye obi kro ntimi nkoye drive no obi ntimi nkodi mate because Ghana for the ye ni subai obi besre obi kura nkofo ne ka discrimination na dinti omo nye adwuma enye omo ofie uye ebi mu interview omo e kire say aka adwuma because obrani mu aye den pa. These are some of the things that more journalists for more responsibilities say wo men what is oye moye now omo achiche ma no ntimi na omo the 50 million Ghana cedis at to literally so now Vice President Dr. Bawuima ntimi embeli no na within party na mu so bi atimi akwa beli na o ha one say na o TV so na chinchine wa yere ho a why say o ko boxing ni o ya sapone say o ha one say mpa na wusu aden Dr. Bawuima no be di Ghana so no or the poison gunsu no bi no ma obi no me ya na mo so it is Dr. Bawuima no ya mo dey journalist din ko bi ni party asem fa ho ana o ya NPP ni ana o ya NDC ni o ya CPP o ya sapone say wo soro ehemfa no fi o soro na asase so adentina journalist for am wo krom ya say mu left from on right NDC aban eba omo ka kire yen say 24-hour economy ene omo ba ya youth no bia benya adwuma ye ende okujata blackwa eso sesa Ghana youth ndi akogwo obi ni man so omo akwakoye ni ye forgetting say omo promise yen so omo besisi factories e dey provide the 24-hour economy no e wa hemfa women's bank omo ka from baby e wa hemfa NDC for by yenwa dia omo aye and so the same journalist multi TV so na radio so and Mahama Bayi he's the best president ever e say yentu an so enso ye hu hwe wo Ghana ha papa froko Dr. Bawuima 50 million Ghana cedis and ko be chama wo di yen so uti ara say yen so ko enye wadwuma ni obra. This is not your work. O work ni so be criticize ya ban de o ka so ba be ye no o meye akwan bebregu ho amanfo efa so omu amanfo da so eda fame hospitals so ya friend so omo eda dialysis omo kidney dialysis omo nye sike ntu omo wu. These are some of the things that say mu push agenda mu push na oman ne ho to omo na mu chire yenti ensema Ghana fo bi ede emano as reply where Charles Opoku presido and or just a stupid journalist when so edi and or just agenda settings. I mean you don't know what happened. How are you drawing conclusions when so it is all cast by heart when so a foolish man with empty talking just a comment in the end of that screen so no man for dinner temper papa nyasem ketwa kra akoyi de we Jimmy Firi just a comment to me as a man for buafu just a man for a friend say to see baby a member na kwa kodo it's not about political party it's about nipa no odi o man is na do ya abo o man youth no mwani ambre nti za ban bi bana so onye na dwuma na obeja it was journalist na wo kan say me ni kwan mamasa yen fa won che okra nti comment section na da so no amanfo edi na tempa nya asem keto akra nti no paka ensem oni ya ka che say du fi asem as a journalist no know what you're supposed to say and know what you're supposed not to say. Just mind your business. Dr. Bawuima nya 50 million Ghana cedis and kwanko beli ye chairman Wontumi a ene no enye news in same bebre ho ese wo kana aban no eye ma Ghana for in same way and